Alright, so today I'm pretty excited because we're going to cook up using Reason. So forever I just thought like obviously Reason, it's a DAW. I think it's been around since like the 90s or something. One of the first like OG DAWs essentially. I've heard like so many interviews with like different producers, different artists from like deadmau5 using it for like sound design. I think even Grimes used to use it like back in the early days. Just naturally curious about why everyone raves about Reason so much. So it was a DAW, but I've only just realized that it's now, it can be a plugin inside your DAW. So we've got, I think it was like nearly 90 different devices. So we have instruments, what we're looking at now. So these are like synthesizers, samplers. I'm going to go with this like Europa one. So it's kind of like a similar like sound design ideologies of like Serum, but still kind of like this analog style workflow, if that makes sense. I'm going to start with this, but this is a rack. So we can just kind of like drag any effects in. What's this one? It's kind of like a distortion rack. And then we can kind of like stack it. So this one's just like an EQ that I can put on there and then like a phaser next to it. So yeah, heaps and heaps of sound design possibilities here. We can even stack like multiple instances of synthesizers and just like layer sounds. I'm very excited that this is now like a plugin rack that you can just have in Ableton, or you can have it in FL Studio, like any of the big DAWs it supports. Let's just jump in and see what we can come up with. I just duplicated the chords. I'm just going to layer what we have with like a pad or something. That's a very like Sad Boys kind of sound. Set this to resample and then re-record and chop this up. I normally sort of like mute this, but I think I might just like leave this in so it's like multiple textures. There's a lot that you can do with this device. It's kind of like a reverb and delay. It's got like built-in distortion. You can like add noise, bit reduction. This is kind of like a one-stop shop. Something that I haven't seen on a delay very often. You've got your delay times like up here, but you can also like half it or you can set it to double. And I'm going to use this as like an effect right now. I'm going to record it into like automation. Turn this right up, I'll show you. You can kind of hear how it's like, it's kind of sounds like granular because it changes the time. So it like changes the pitch. I'm going to record that into the MIDI and then we'll just like flatten it into audio just so that this like melody has like a bit of personality about it. And it doesn't just like feel like a stale digital signal. I also just grabbed that first hi-hat and then I put it into a sampler and put it on reverse. Kind of randomly, there's just like this one hi-hat in the mix and it's like the same texture, but it's like reversed. Just has like a different feeling about it. So there you go. That's the Reason Plus, like the rack plugin. I've got a feeling that I'm going to be using this a lot more. I saw that it was like 1 month for $1, and I haven't even like had a real chance of like trying out any of these other instruments, which I'm really keen to try out. And then obviously like there's so many effects in here, which is pretty crazy. So yeah, I'm keen to like dive deeper into this and sort of see what else it's capable of. Anyway, that's it for the video. Be sure to go check out my Patreon. It's a great way to support the channel. If not, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.